Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 1st July 2020. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs session. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous three questions. Our first question was Mukesh Kumaran has been appointed as DGP of which state? Punjab, Kerala, Goa, Bihar. The correct answer here is Goa. Option C is correct here. Mukesh Kumaran has been appointed as new DGP of Goa. The capital of Goa is Panaji. Chief Minister is Pramod Sawant and Governor is Satyapal Malik. I hope you got the answer now. Our second question was Binny Mahajan become Chief Secretary of which state? Maharashtra, Punjab, Manipur, Assam. The correct answer here is option B, Punjab. Recently, Binny Mahajan become the Chief Secretary of Punjab. I hope you got the answer now. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Chief Minister is Amarendra Singh and Governor is VP Singh Bandnor. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. Our first question of the today's session is International Day of Parliamentarism globally observed on 25 June, 27 June, 29 June, 30 June. The correct answer is option D, 30 June. On 30 June, International Day of Parliamentarism is observed. This day is celebrates parliaments and way of during which parliamentary system government improve every day. Okay, and another day also celebrated on 30 June, that is International Asteroid Day. International Asteroid Day also celebrated on 30 June. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. India's first lichen park is developed in which state? Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is option A, Uttarakhand. Recently, Uttarakhand Forest Department has developed India's first lichen park. They are bioindicators of pollution level. Lichen are the bioindicators of pollution level, and recently the lichen park is developed in Uttarakhand. Okay, the capital of Uttarakhand is summer capital is Garsan and winter capital is Dehradun. Chief Minister is Trivendra Singh Rawat and Baby Rani Moria is the governor of Uttarakhand. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Lazarus Chakwera becomes new president of which country? Zimbabwe, Malawi, Iran, Afghanistan. The correct answer here is option B, Malawi. He defeated the incumbent Peter Mutharika and won the presidential election, and Lazarus Chakwera became the new president of Malawi. Okay, the capital of Malawi is Lilongwe and currency is Malawian Kwacha. Malawian Kwacha is the currency of Malawi. Okay, you see the image of president of Malawi here. Okay, next question. Project Platina, a largest plasma therapy trial, started in which state? Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer here is option A, Maharashtra. The maximum number of cases of COVID-19 is arise from the Maharashtra, and recently Maharashtra government, the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has launched world largest plasma therapy trial, Project Platina, for COVID-19 patient. It is the world largest plasma therapy campaign. Okay, Maharashtra is in news. Capital is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray and Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Former footballer Mario Gomez retired from which sports? He belongs to which country? Okay. Sorry, former footballer Mario Gomez retired from sports. Wrongly, which is printed here. He belongs to which country? Brazil, Germany, Uruguay, West Indies. The correct answer here is Germany. Mario Gomez belongs to Germany. He is a very famous footballer and he recently announced his retirement. Okay, the former Germany footballer Mario Gomez has announced his retirement from sports. He scored 31 goals He scored 31 goals in 78 appearances. Okay, and the capital of Germany is Berlin. Capital of Germany is Berlin, and currency is euro. Euro is the currency of Germany. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. You can see the image of the Mario Gomez here, the famous footballer. Geeta Nagabhushan passed away. She belongs to which field? Writer, actor, athlete, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, writer. Veteran Kannada writer Geeta Nagabhushan passed away. She is born in 25th March 1942 in Karnataka. She served as the chairperson of Karnataka Sahitya Academy. She served as the chairperson of Karnataka Sahitya Academy. So Geeta Nagabhushan's obituary is important in exam perspective view. She was a very veteran Kannada writer. Okay, I hope you see the image of the Geeta Nagabhushan here. Okay, next question. Prime Minister extends Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana to which month? July, August, September, November. The correct answer here is option D, November. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has addressed the nation. This is the Prime Minister's sixth address to the people of India since the outbreak of coronavirus pandemic in the country, and extends the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana to November. Among this Yojana, about 80 crore people to get free food grant till Diwali or Chhath Puja. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Question number 8. India signed agreement with which country for 600 megawatt hydroelectric project? Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. The correct answer here is Bhutan. India and Bhutan signed a pact for the construction of the 600 megawatt hydroelectric project in Bhutan. The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Prime Minister is Lotaya Tshering, and currency is Bhutanese Nagaltrom. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Pop star Beyonce honored with BAT 2020 Humanitarian Award. This award is given by which country? Australia, America, Japan, France. BAT 2020, this award is given by actually in America. Option B is correct here. Beyonce has been honored with BAT 2020 Humanitarian Award for her long-standing philanthropic work with her BioGood Foundation. Okay, BAT award is an American award, so which celebrates to African Americans. Okay, it is given to the African American and the minorities people. You can see the image of Beyonce here, pop star Beyonce. He got the BAT 2020 Humanitarian Award. Next question. Kill Corona campaign is started in which state? Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is Madhya Pradesh. Kill Corona campaign is started in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and Governor is Lalji Tandon. And recently, due to the health issue of the Lalji Tandon, the Governor of Uttar Pradesh, Anandiben Patel, take the additional charge of the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, this is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. How many Chinese apps recently banned by Government of India? Our second question is PhonePe tie up with which bank on multi-bank model? Please try to answer in the comment section more and more, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Stay connected with Educational Wings for your better preparation. Thank you.